Recently I was contacted by the people at Popov Leather asking if I would review a product, and I looked at their inventory and said yes. They sent me this beautiful, beautiful business card holder, and it is exquisitely made. It smells divine. Isn't that awesome? Let me show you the features of this. I'm impressed. The owner and maker. About our leather, they consider the unique markings not as bad things, but as imperfections that make each product unique. Nice. Very nice packaging for this. There's the contact information again. This is the business card holder, and this is the color they call Driftwood. It's very nice. It's very smooth. It's actually much better crafted than I expected. It's beautiful, isn't it? And I am just super, super impressed at the craftsmanship of this. Nice mailer. Stickers are good. Manufacturers should consider stickers because I put them on my planner and things like that. It's good advertising for the company. Thank you for supporting our small business. They have their contact information. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching my video review of the Popov Leather business card holder, and get yourself one. Look in the link below about how to order one of these because, hey, you can be classy too. Bye.